EV1 with red stripes egresses the airlock, followed by EV2. While EV2 puts her tool bag on a portable foot restraint, EV1 translates to the forward face of the ISS. EV1 secures both crew safety tethers and proceeds to the 4 Bravo worksite at the Port 6 location. EV2 then follows the same path to the worksite. EV2 installs the portable foot restraint and moves her tool bag to the other side of the integrated equipment assembly. She breaks torque on the old nickel hydrogen battery in slot 1 and configures the worksite. Meanwhile, EV1 secures her tool bag to the exposed pallet before joining EV2 at the first battery. EV2 ingresses the portable foot restraint and releases 2 bolts using the pistol grip tool. EV2 removes the battery, and the crew work together to shepherd it to the exposed pallet. Next, EV1 ingresses the portable foot restraint, and they install the battery, driving 1 bolt. EV1 removes 2 handling aids called scoops. The robotic arm moves the exposed pallet so EV1 can access a new lithium-ion battery. EV1 installs scoops, releases 1 bolt, and removes the new battery. The crew work together to bring the new battery back to slot 1. They inspect the battery and drive 2 bolts to install it. Next, EV2 moves the scoops to the old battery in slot 2. They break torque and release 2 bolts. EV2 removes the battery, and the crew work together to shepherd it back to the exposed pallet. EV1 ingresses the portable foot restraint, temporarily stowing the old battery on her body restraint tether, then removes an adapter plate from the exposed pallet. EV1 hands the adapter plate to EV2, who takes it back to slot 2, while EV1 installs the old battery onto the exposed pallet. Meanwhile, EV1 installs the old battery onto the exposed pallet. EV1 then joins EV2 at the integrated equipment assembly, where EV2 inspects and installs the adapter plate. EV2 drives 2 bolts and then mates an electrical cable to complete that powered channel pairing. The crew move to battery 3 and release 2 bolts. They remove the old battery and install that onto the adapter plate in slot 2. EV1 and EV2 will remove a new lithium-ion battery from the exposed pallet and install it into slot 3. That completes the planned task for this EVA. If there is more time available, they will remove the old battery from slot 4 and install it on the exposed pallet, which is not shown in this video. The crew will prep the worksite in preparation for the next EVA, then clean up tools. EV1 retrieves her tool bag from the exposed pallet. Then both crew return to the airlock. Both crew then ingress the airlock, completing the EVA.